work with my music videos. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! Let's go, guys. Yeah. Oops. What's wrong here? What's wrong here? There we go. I follow you, Nathan. Push it right. Go right again, Nathan. Surrender. What? Ah, nice. Dead man. Oh, they're already on our spawn.
They are?
Yeah, right here, right on our tower. I'm pushing. You're good. Surrender. Nice. Surrender. Watch window. Hit! Nice shot. Dang, oh. Sorry. Oh, all right.
And I just shot all the gas out of it.
Again? The next one?
Yeah.
Oh man, today's not your day, is it? Hey.
Oh my God.
Hey guys, good push.
No one over there.
Good push, come on. Nice, good job, guys. Surrender? Yeah, come on, Red. Come on.
Red all the way up. Cover that.
Red's in the corner. Don't shoot him, all right?
All right.
I'm gonna push over here.
Take another flag. Cover me. Okay, red. Hit it. Hey, we're behind the red line. Hey, we gotta be behind this line.
What are you talking about?
I thought this was the red line.
The red line's right here, dude.
This is not.
That's orange. That's orange.
Oh, my bad.
You're good.
You're good. Alright, I got you covered then. I'm going. Watch out, there's somebody. Hit.
Red. Red. Oh, hit. What the hell? Dead man. Excuse me. Sorry guys, excuse me. Dead man. Hey. They might be. I've noticed we have a big influx of new players today.
No, just little children.
Yeah.
All we gotta do is little children, babies, rise up, and then you have an army of them behind you. That way, we scare them. I mean, they might not be scared, but
I like the sound of it.
sometimes it works.
Right?
I'm behind the guy with the right shoe.
Yeah. I'm gonna push up the center. Hi.
Red, 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 red.
Red? Dead man, dead. Oh, surrender, red, 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 red. Surrender, 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 surrender. Red, 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 red. Red, red, red. Surrender, surrender, surrender. Don't bang me. Oh, right in the head. Woo! Hit. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Oh, nice. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm red. Heard.
I ran out of ammo, couldn't change
That happens. That's why I run with 3 guns.
Nice.
So you got 1, 2, 3. This one doesn't have a tracer though, so oh well. What's that? Red? Red! Nice! Thanks for not shooting us. Good job! We're killing them. Where are you going?
How? I have no clue.
Follow them!
Okay.
Yeah. If you don't know what to do, stick with a group.
Yeah, I know. My group left.
That's okay, find a new one. Oh, push up, guys, push up.
Is it red?
Yeah, it's red, it's all red. I scared the crap out of them though. Red.
Guy behind the barrel behind the corner.
I think I got shot. I'll take it. I think I got shot in the foot. I'll just take it. Just in case. When in doubt, call it out. Oh, we're doing domination, yo! We need flags! We got flags?
Flags? I'm looking, I don't see them.
Switch all flags to red, quick! Red. Check flags.
Flag looks good on that side.
Red. Nice. Check. Flag check. Flag check.
Hey, you want to move those two here? They're taking us
Yes.
right down here.
We got all flags.
Sorry.
Yes, we got all flags.
All right, nice. Let's go.
He's jumping. Surrender.
I'm dead. Come here. Yeah, Brett.
Okay, I like that.
Watch out. That's how we do it.
You got one already.
Bang. I got one. Surrender. I'll take it. Good rush, dude. Good rush. Dead man.
Show you. Come on, Frank. Let's go.
Heard. Surrender.